Can you use antibiotic ointment on stitches? Have you ever wondered if you can use antibiotic ointment on stitches? This is a common question, especially when it comes to caring for wounds. Let's break it down. Yes, you can use antibiotic ointment on stitches, but it is not always necessary. Antibiotic ointments are designed to help prevent infection by targeting bacteria. When you have a wound that is stitched up, applying this ointment may lower the risk of infection compared to not using any treatment at all. However, the reduction in infection risk is not very large. In survival situations, where medical care might not be readily available, having antibiotic ointment in your first aid kit can be quite helpful. It can protect stitched wounds from infection, especially when you may not have access to professional help. Keeping the wound clean and moist is key for healing, and antibiotic ointments can assist in this process. If you do not have antibiotic ointment, plain petroleum jelly can be a good alternative to keep the wound moist. It is important to clean the wound properly before applying any ointment. Make sure to remove any dirt or debris first. After cleaning, apply a thin layer of antibiotic ointment over the stitched area. Then, cover it with a sterile dressing. You should change the dressing daily or if it becomes wet or dirty. Always keep an eye on the wound for signs of infection. Look for increased redness, swelling, warmth, pain, or any discharge. If you notice any of these signs, it is important to seek medical attention as soon as possible. From a survival skills perspective, having antibiotic ointment in your emergency first aid kit is practical. It can help manage stitched wounds or other cuts when professional medical care is delayed. However, be cautious about overusing antibiotic ointments. This can lead to antibiotic resistance, which is a growing concern. In many cases, simply cleaning the wound and keeping it moist with non-antibiotic products may be enough for healing. Remember, antibiotic ointment can be beneficial, but it is not always necessary. Keeping your first aid kit stocked with essential items like antibiotic ointment can make a difference in emergency situations.